Steph did not know that we could ride the elevator.
Oh, we're vlogging.
Yeah, we're vlogging. We're gonna ride the elevator. We're gonna ride the elevator.
Lemon water for free. And I got long green nails for free. One or two? I don't know which way.
Two. Don't close it yet. Oh.
It took too long.
Sorry.
That other one's taking too long.
Where we going up? I thought we were going down.
Is there down?
No, that's the lowest floor we were just on. Oh, we are going up.
Mitsubishi Galant.
Yeah, this is my pimp-tastical ride that I got going on here. Oh, get it up high, Steph. Show my dark circles. Flattering. Not too high. That would show dark circles. That's the flattering shot. I'm ugly, so she's got to hold it up high. So, yeah, this is my new ride. Holly's in the shop getting some body work done. I still can open the mirror and talk to myself and show how beautiful I am. I don't like showing my full body. This is a flattering angle.
Flattering angle.
We are at the place where I'm getting married.
I'm pretty sure it says Battle Freedman and violators will be towed.
God knows hooker. So
She paid off.
my Mitsubishi Gallardo.
Except for it's gonna be a Lamborghini Gallardo.
I don't know, but I just like to pretend that that's what my car is because it's kind of. It was stanky when I first got it, I'm not gonna lie.
Hopefully our LA rental car won't be so bad.
Do you guys have a recommendation for rental car
Places in LA?
/ brand of vehicle to rent?
Ford Focus all the way.
That was my choices. It was Ford Focus or this bad boy, and I went with this bad boy.
If we get a choice to get a Ford Focus in LA, we'll just go with that.
And that's my St. Patty's Day green nail polish. That's Stephanie's. They are different. Yeah, you can kind of tell.
Kind of.
Okay.
Hey, Mommy, you're festive. I'm festive too. Yeah. We'll just walk away from Mom because she knows what she wants to talk about.
I want a picture over here. Like, reclining.
Yeah, that'd be pretty. You know what'd also be pretty is if that table's not there and you get the chandelier in the picture of him like dipping you or something.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty too.
Yeah, that's the next big picture. Are you gonna have have you already had your bridal portraits made?
I'm not doing bridal.
Okay.
I'm doing engagement pictures, but not bridal.
Okay. Yeah, the piano makes a pretty picture. The sofa, with you kind of reclining on the sofa, that makes good
I can
pictures.
manage my dress.
It's a big old dress.
It is a big dress.
Full length one.
This one?
Yeah, full length. Yeah.
Ooh, wow, that's a nice one.
Don't you just want to live here, Mom?
Yes. I should have been born like that. Me too, I've always said that. I was born, I think in my other life I lived.
I think so too.
I really
We're
did.
probably best friends.
It's pretty. And her's getting married by the gazebo over here in the garden area. I don't know where everybody went. Don't get me, bees.
Slave quarters? That's where Bucky's getting ready.
No, I want to go see it, kind
I
of.
know.
What was down under there? That is so cool.
Probably just some kind of basement.
Like, but I've never seen a door that opens up like that. I would love to go under there. What is that for? Huh?
The sign. She doesn't know. Just
there, so Mama could bring that.
This seems like a small chair. Is that a small chair?
Yeah, remember we were talking about it? I think it was short people that lived here.
Oh. That's why the banister is so low.
It is.
Yeah, that's what she said.
mom's short, and it's still,
Short to me.
yeah.
And which room, did she say which room we're supposed to use or?
Was it this one?
Tracy, that's pretty. She has to get pictures up here.
Yeah, they didn't have the Jemison all like they didn't have the,
Yeah.
and they had a bed and everything, but I feel like they didn't have as much furniture.
It wasn't as like,
Lived in.
right, it didn't seem like it was taken out of.
Like this one has pictures by the bed and books by the bed. Doll bed. Do you think you guys ever slept in here? Like,
I don't know. Like old timey.
I don't know.
That was not how the bed felt like.
That old timey bed.
Yeah, that's
It's a doll bed.
There's something next to it. It's a little piano.
Piano.
thing.
For a kid, yeah.
Uh-huh. That's fine.
And this is what a crib used to look like? Or a... Well, I'm going to go ahead and go on a limb and say these people probably were well off.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
yeah.
a little bit.
What's back there? Is that tripods?
Yeah. What's this? I forgot.
Okay, let's see what, I mean, you made me this picture in here.
I love that room. That is like my colors.
Pink and green.
Pink and green.
I don't feel like I've seen all this before. Was this closed?
No, I don't know.
Gift of Miss Martha Barr, beaver hat.
What's that record? Oh, that's a toilet. Oh my gosh. Chamber pot. What's that in here?
I know I'm coming.
What is that?
It's a bed, like a child's bed, or like a no, like a lazy, like a, you know.
Not really.
Or
Looks
a
like
child's bed.
yeah.
I hope that's not remains.
No, it's just
And stuff.
Chamber pot.
neat.
Look at all the old stuff in there.
Victor Hugo Freebie.
He was a doctor.
Practice of surgery. British agent. Is that him?
140? I don't know.
Or is that like...
And this
Says
is
Mr.
what
Victor
I
Human.
like this picture. What is this room? This is really.
There's the-
The one over there. Oh, no, not like that.
Not like that.
I like that couch too.
The tea. Tea time.
So look at these boots. I'm excited. I'm excited to get married here. What is it? Oh, you can see the balcony from out here. Oh my gosh. Is this on the back? That's the back of the house. Oh, is that the front? Yeah. Yeah, that's the one that I like. That's gonna very, very, very much so upset the people that live here. Looks like watermelon.
Oh, here's it. Yeah. So where was it? She said the other. What's that? There's tons of good pictures up here.
I wonder what that was. Hmm?
Yeah, I think these two rooms.
Look at these gloves. Other gloves.
Okay, we better take off. That little creepy picture.
Creepy baby. Oh, creepy baby. Oh, creepy baby with a cat. Look at this picture of the bottle freezing right here. Do y'all see the stitching of the house?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Mom, it's sewn.
Sewn.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is that cross stitching? Yeah.
That's old-fashioned cross stitch too.
You
There
think
may
they
be
used
some
a pattern?
No.
I'm kidding. Because you used to do cross stitch with pattern.
Yeah. Well, but what I'm talking about is the fabric doesn't look like what. You know, it just looks like plain fabric. So you just make your X's. They're not uniform.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know.
Cross stitch has like.
We know you're used to having patterns, Mama. We know you cheat when you cross stitch. Don't lie.
What movie is that?
It isn't raining.
It isn't raining rain tonight. What's it raining? I can't even read it. What does it say? What's in
It isn't raining rain to me.
something about it's daffodil? What? It's raining daffodils?
I can't read it.
What does it say?
Daffodils. In every dimpled drop I see. What'd you say?
In clouds.
Oh. That's probably where she is now.
Jag.
What did you just see?
What? What did I just see?
Yeah.
See or eat?
See.
What did I just see? Oh, I saw a helicopter. I saw a ghetto bird. Is that what they're called?
What?
I think Buddy.
I don't know.
I think
I just call it the airback
ghetto
team.
birds. Ghetto birds or metal birds or some birds.
Note to all you healthcare people or wanting to go into healthcare: when you're on your way,
you can't go right, person.
when you're on your way to the hospital to work your shift, and you see, well, and you're in the emergency room working, and you see the helicopter land, go Tracy.
Oh.
It's like no bueno.
No bueno. Why are you filming your lap? Nobody wants to look at your lap.
Yeah, they do. My pretty green nails.
No, they don't.
Fine, I'll just show our town since everybody knows where we live.
We're going to Ulta, even though I don't really want to go, but we have to. Actually, if they have body wash, I'll get body wash. I don't think it's on sale though, do you?
I don't know.
Excuse me.
Tracy chirpy burpy ice-eed.
I just had a steak and cheese balls. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
You can't do
it.
That's pretty cool.
And I just had a steak and cheese, and that's pretty cool.
All right, Miley.
And
some
some
cheese.
cheese.
And it's
that's
really
pretty
tasty.
cool.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty
Pretty
cool. It's like, I was going to say it's country Miley, but Miley is country. That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Let's go into Ulta.
Going now. Oh, that almost died.
Alright, let's go. Ooh, you want to do a quick car haul? I'm going to do a quick car haul.
I didn't get anything.
Okay, she didn't get anything, but I did, okay? Now, I'm getting engaged. Pretty excited
You're getting
about
engaged?
that. I mean, I'm getting married, okay? First of all, I love to read. I don't even think I'm in that. I love to read. And so I got this book called Jemima J. It's about an overweight girl that has a food addiction. So it hits pretty close to home. I don't have a food addiction. I'm just kidding.
No, you just aren't a chubby like girl.
Okay, I got these cute jeans. They're Arden B jeans. I don't know what Arden B normally sells for, but I got these babies for $9.99. And the ends of them aren't even like
worn.
They're folded back a little bit, but I could probably iron those and they'll be fine. And they fit really well. I was impressed. Okay, I got this little top, which is just like a basic tee jazzed up with some beads. It's fun. It was like $6. And I don't know what Karen...
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. And I don't know what Karen Kane is, but that's the brand of that.
I've heard that.
Did I mention this was like a thrift store or like a consignment
shop? It's a haul.
shop?
It's a consignment shop. We have a lot of those here.
Yeah, we do. I'm starting to love them. Okay, you guys, this looks like a brand spanking new pair of jeans. Like, there's no wear on these.
Like, somebody bought these and were like, oh crap, these don't fit me. I need to sell these.
And this is exactly my size. Like, they are Suki's 2832s, and they are perfect for engagement pictures because I will show you, they don't have any of that annoying whiskering on them. They're nice and dark. There's just a little bit right there.
They're mostly just dark.
Yeah. And they're like brand new. Like, that person was crazy. And the butt pockets aren't too like extreme.
No, they're just a lighter blue a little bit.
Yeah, they're pretty. I love them. $19.99, y'all.
Do you love them, Tracy?
I do. Regularly, these would have been like $80 or $90, depending on... It's getting hot in here really
You want something to drink?
And that's pretty cool. I can't do it anymore.
That's pretty cool.
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 Alright, guys.
What did we want to go to Best Buy for?
We didn't. That was when we thought we needed the key border thing. You know, like
for those darn taxes.
Yeah.